The 2013 Mazda 3. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 4-cylinder. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, power mirrors, 4-wheel independent suspension, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, anti-roll bars, body color bumpers, speed control, 4-wheel disc brakes. Inside you'll find steering wheel audio controls, low tire pressure warning, trip computer, power windows, power steering, cloth seat trim, driver vanity mirror, telescopic steering wheel, dual front airbags, tilt steering wheel. The Mazda 3 meets your vehicle wants and needs. Powerful and economical, technologically savvy, and boasting top safety features, the Mazda 3 is the total package. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.